cried. Oh, let's do.
They wouldn't have grown you cried.
Yes, I'm attention when I'm talking.
Okay, talk, madam.
The thing is, Mr. Obronii has promised to take my family and I to America. America.
Say it
No. Yes. Repeat it again.
What did you
What's
say?
the what the name of family America?
Hey! Oh my God!
Are you guys happy for me?
Like, are you sure?
Happy
for you.
And the thing is, your passports. You call immigration to take our fingerprint. Then, so within 2 weeks,
Like, I mean, are you for real?
Yes, I'm telling you the truth.
Damn.
They're from America. And wouldn't one funny thing? Wouldn't say immigration for no more connection like they are family. It's a bit easy. So we're in Sumefua. And I'm coming. That's my Opoku is one and that's a
That is the third person. That third person.
My dear, I'm so happy for you, eh? Like,
she's going to America.
You're going to America. Like, I mean, no problem.
Oh my goodness.
And
I hope
I'm
fine.
different from them. And Mama Visa, may invite her. I'll invite you too. They do some nene bewaria invitation.
Yeah.
One of the emissaries here. They will see a bro for something like that.
Oh my goodness. You know. Let's be honest. Who say you two for a boy? You catch us in the third person. Free walk.
And then half it one. They say, oh,
by bringing name no, they just say, oh, my little got now one side.
Congratulations, but then we make a toast. What about that?
Oh, it's not bad, you know, it's not bad idea, you know. Hey, but wait, oh, fast, see how what's your process to be.
I can't imagine. Now, Obronii can't say mass. Obronii can't say no, you want a panning, so no panel. Say, Uncle Jimmy Sacrani and Graham, there's no coming home crying.
I'm happy for him.
But, like, I hope nobody's jealous. Maybe
no. But come on, why would I be jealous?
Like, they made dream on the say. Until they say, oh, you have a fair burger. Of course. That's called
give me the walk. Give me the walk.
This girl is so funny. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm not bragging. You know what I can do. I'm not bragging.
I know
you.
you.
My first pay na TTS tap son to your phone. Queen.
Oh my goodness. What's that? No, where did you money?
Yes, sir. Come because I'm spreading you girls. So where do you want to go?
I can't wait.
Where do you want to go?
Where do you want to go?
Suli, get in the car.
Pisolo Miss One.
Granny sister, we they need to send my name. And now my name, my fiancé, I'll make you say one way. You're born, come on, Kaka no school. They all buy the Messi and the genius. They are most so long, what's in I know. You're looking so positive. And so I saw him to Lord, but maybe they need to measure. Of I don't say they need to come so they need to have broaching money at the other. Say, we both be none of the breaking news in extreme. Maja to one.
One uncle. Jason. I come to you about one was so eventually I'll be atomic.
I said, Brad, no ninja brooch. Hey, maybe they are one and two.
Maybe I know some of your calling Jesus here. If you know I'm about near would you. Nothing was what you took not much. I say, Montana.
Please, I know you don't understand what we are speaking. No. But the thing is, my sister is saying that we are all traveling.
Yes.
You want us to travel.
Join
everyone.
Go to abroad.
The whole family. It is true.
Oh, wow.
Will we stay in your house?
Yes, that's the plan.
Wow.
Until you get established and
thank you.
and do your own thing. You love it there. There's so much opportunity, so much to do, and so much whole things.
Thank you.
Yes.
Are you going to abroad?
Yes.
Are you going?
All together?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
Oh, thank you.
Of all the baby.
Say na ye pe. Say na ye pe. Share.
Okay, so no mum na ka mo chiro.
Dabi o si yen.
No bro for kind.
Na me ka say.
What are you going to abroad?
Dabi o.
Sa kan bi.
Ah, say na me ka.
Sa kan bi.
Say na me ka. Ah.
My family are interested. They want to join us.
Absolutely.
And I've told them you have a car. There's a lot of opportunities.
Absolutely.
You won't miss anything.
This my uncle is talking to you. Ofa. Ono kasa to me.
Aso okasa ni. Mani kan wie na me kwan ne won komo.
Ofana de tie ne say enye mumia mo boy because e asem de. And I'm catching the someone jail to me so na yako. And on one to feel or just say opportunities me shiny phone or cow farm or big house for refugees in what refugees in
And me baby our brother. One
way or send me baby kuku.
Me you know airport for me very free payment for.
Wa bodam.
Abrochi.
Wa bodam.
Na ko me che me minji. Na minji abeheme. Opoku sabi ofa.
Sesia na wo starting.
Ofa me do one man one.
Sesia na wo starting.
That's what TP into no dey Kenya. Do you understand? We say we are happy to go.
Oh no.
Please, you are traveling.
Yes, but
It's me.
Well, yeah, no. I have to explain.
Yeah.
listen.
Also a church room.
So
Come again.
coming soon, they have to go for the
The
visa.
biometric passport.
Right.
They don't have passport. We
Right. So you have to go to the embassy
so they
and
don't have
do all the paperwork.
Okay.
Yes, you have to have what they call the
And the
barometric testing.
fingerprints and
Exactly. And then once you wait some time, it will come and it'll be issued and
Like
you all
within
can
2
come.
weeks, everything will be
Yeah,
fine.
the two to 3 weeks. Yeah.
That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying.
Hey,
sister. I didn't see any passport. I was saying. I was saying, they won't come with passport. Yeah, come with fingerprint. Yeah, people working in your way. Within 2 weeks, you know, you need to name your visa.
Never meet me at you. The bus go to.
Visa, yeah,
I'm
2 weeks pay. 2 weeks pay.
maybe I need some now for you.
Yes,
Let's see, I'm not going to say, Visa, Mundi pay. I think of mine.
we are all traveling to Abuja.
Yes.
It's a happy
day.
Oh, okay, wonderful.
Yeah, we are all traveling.
Thank you.
Sure.
I'm positive.
I want to tell you.
Definitely.
Not now, when I'm not the baby.
What is your car?
Okay, if I say it. You want to explain to say it. So maybe we're gonna make a twist tonight because it's a good name.
Please. You look beautiful, eh?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I'm Sandman. I'm Sandman.
Area the buyer will come. You say in a Bushamba. If you're if you see, when you're the under mountain, maybe a little send out of Bushamba. But sister, you may be cautious. And you may be cautious. My Shannon once I say, answer. I feel be too big. I go for Bushamba. Brunini buyer, every Brunina buyer.
I am Mr.
Many Brunina made buyer.
It's a Mr. A boy.
It is so poor, whatever. Yeah, you.
Say we see
Sabroni no. Eba ye hihye ne say ye abusua eba ye de nyina de ye fare visa. Adenti na mode mo mabusuafo nyina fare visa no mimi dinu. Bruni ye dipa bi a uya obeka no kra kire me o. Ade na mimi din ni mi bisa obi a di bruni ni ba starting here. Mo no defe. Na fe ko wi ne say. Sister, ya de ho na chance ya fe de ye ko wi ye ko tana na mu.
We there George. We there ni say bia ya dey ni e twa George. I don't know what the idea in the buy. Yeah, you say kin na na e kwa buche. But yeah blood group no. Emoja no so free buche ni ntino. Omo check omo say moja no eni e bi ni bifa. Omo say moja no. Now usana o consume dale pampa river no. Na akoso yi. Eja de moja no mo say ade.
Hey. Wana kato se una mubie wa no kato se
na me different. Hello George. George, you are talking as if I'm ungrateful, but it's never like that.
But you are ungrateful.
From the scratch of the
That's
relationship.
what you're saying to yourself. You are ungrateful.
This is not
Can I land?
You can land.
Let me land. From the scratch of the relationship,
Yes.
everywhere that we were going, na me do kodi. What's me? It didn't come up. I say, Obronii, no Diana, no wonder. I was feeling so comfortable.
By now,
So
what
do
do you
everything about the see me Obronii and tell me. But right now, no, what they are doing, man, say me kuno. Push out. I was doing all the bedroom things, yeah. I was giving him the skills, the vibes, the energy, everything. So I'm being obsessed. There is nothing you can do. And I'm not by that. Everything and I'm not be coming out. So what is I'm listening. What? Yes. So if life goes on,
you're the Bahanian. What's the man now became? Now there from Pastor some sort of oh!
We know I'm my enemy for Bonini. We know my enemy for Bonini. Hey, doctor, and friend PDD. Banaboy, you call friend PDD. All right, Banaboy.
baby, are you? No problem.
We are saying,
and the chain and the
when no and faith in Muko, a doctor, and a doctor, and I'm just saying, a doctor, ready for life. Okay, bro. I love you, bro.
What's in the carry?
I said, what to me if you have
I think Opoku and you now what can't say we are now and you're just like oh that's how
wait, what you did? That's to me, Medina Pinti, and the Amamu, Munyaka,
He's on his one.
Wawuna na mo ko omonyo hu baby ko. O ma de e na me so me ye dai. Me betena ho. Amane ni amamre bia na o se me ye bia no maye. Ti me de una wo te me kasa. Nti woni ne nkasa. E ka che ne se maye ho amane bia no me de mama. Na ne o de immigration ho. Na bi bisi bia no bia o sa de abrem na me kwa kwa kusi. Yeah, you know, I'm going to see your own catch them.
So, babe, my brother have agreed that you give us the gold for you to go and show to the immigration people. So afterwards, then you bring it back.
Absolutely. It'll be a short time. Listen, since I came, I see you are a good man. I'm a good man also. I want. So I will do the right thing. I want you all to come and travel abroad with me, and you'll be very happy.
Oh,
I mean, I can see you are a very smart man.
congratulations.
So please, what is your age?
Me.
So
78 years.
Let me translate the one that you said.
The one you say.
Uncle was say, Onyeni Paboni, Usu Yeni Paboni, Osa is smart man. And no bad had the guy and see a dream of Usu be Bia, yes, I make it. You don't know a coachra, no,
within a short time. It's when on Osibona or day for us, I'm not the 3 months in a moment. It's when I found and I found this. I
You are my in-law. You know, I love her and I want her to be happy and I want to do right by everyone. So you're my in-law.
The chairman and I don't Obronii wait. Or say, or don't. Or say, you know, you need you. Or you'll be uncommit me the main crime. But we are good. It's all the money in our county and every good. And to the fact of the neighbor. No, for what you're making, say, me and Sam from your
but let's who do be out on in I am one in our
maybe one out in the casa, Mati, the coin that hole, and once a mamma, and the
sister, do you noodles or what do you want? Yeah, no blue money need that noodles. Then I funny about Ghana. Do you know green soup?
Green soup.
I
know light
soup.
Palava soup.
Are you contemporary?
I'm sorry, say again.
Green leaf.
Oh no, never. You don't do soup or
soup? We used to cook soup.
Oh, okay. I think I've seen it, but I'm not real familiar.
But you haven't chopped some before?
I don't think so.
Okay. I'm going to inside, so
okay.
I'm enter my room, so
okay.
What
in-law. So please understand me. I want to take care of your family. I want everyone to come and be with me and travel. You will be very happy. But as I said, since the time I see you are a good man. Please, what is your age?
Age 78 years.
78. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Yes, very nice, very nice. Yes. So, did you go to school in Kumasi? School? Did you go to school?
Pardon?
Like education, school. Learn.
Pardon?
Student.
Huh? School.
Students. Yeah. I think they say suku.
Suku.
Maybe.
Suku. I
can see you understand. So are you have that? What work have you done? Like work, a job.
Job. Maybe I did.
Job.
What's the job?
I don't super baby.
Send me this job.
Job was Juma Ben away.
Juma.
Yeah, Juma.
Juma. Oh. Juma maybe Nana.
Of a different kind of food. Work. My work.
Yes.
My work.
Yes.
Okay.
We
can't offer okay no food.
But you are retired now, yes? You don't work again.
Yeah, retired the abominable.
Yeah.
Or then I want
to say retire, I'm saying the abominable.
Retire.
Yes, I will say retire.
Now retire the boy. Retire just to take up pension.
Ah, na me the abominable.
Retire for fire for
I said no catch them.
Please, my uncle English is not
I can see, yes.
It's small.
Okay, like my tree, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Small.
It's small.
Okay. But still, I just want to know you better, so I know that you can trust me well. Yeah,
Any
that's
day,
all.
trust me. Any day, any day.
Of a
I said, me.
This is a bit too much.
No, sir, no, they are where you mean?
I want that, please leave him and let him go. Else, cry. I want him.
His soul is one.
Leave me right home.
What did he write about?
I'll talk at